In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. We're going to build a clean, testable n8n workflow that uploads a video file to YouTube, and, if you want, automatically places it into a playlist. I'll walk you through each piece so you know exactly what to configure and why. Start by dropping a manual trigger node onto the canvas. This is your on-demand switch for testing. With a manual trigger in place, you can run the entire workflow from inside n8n by clicking execute, which makes iteration fast and safe before you automate anything. Next, add a read binary file node. Browse to the video on your computer that you want to upload. This node takes your local file and converts it into binary data so n8n can pass it along to YouTube. By default, the binary output property is named data. Keep that in mind because we'll reference it in the upload step. Large files may take longer to read, so it's normal to see a brief delay here. Now add a YouTube node and set the operation to upload video. Make sure your YouTube credentials are configured in n8n beforehand so the node can authenticate. Fill in the title with the name you want displayed on YouTube. For binary property, select data, which is the output of the read binary file node. Choose a category code, such as 28 for science and technology, and set a region, for example for India. Connect the output of the read binary file node directly to this YouTube node so the binary stream flows into the upload. If you want to organize your content automatically, add another YouTube node and set it to create playlist. Enter the playlist title you want. This step is optional, but it keeps your channel tidy by grouping related uploads. Then add one more YouTube node, set to add playlist item. For the video ID, use the ID returned by the upload node. In n8n, you can reference it with an expression like equals, $node, YouTube, JSON, id. Connect this add playlist item node so it runs after the playlist node, allowing it to read the newly created playlist and place your uploaded video into it. When everything is wired up, return to the manual trigger and click execute workflow. You'll see the upload progress through the nodes. If you created a playlist, the workflow will automatically add the video to it. Check each node's output for confirmation and any messages from the YouTube API. That's it, quick to test, reliable to run, and easy to maintain.